The filmmaking world is about to hit a breaking point. For years, we've lived in the shadow of the legendary Sony FX3. It's the camera that bridged the gap between solo content creators and high-end Hollywood productions. It was the impossible tool. But as we move deeper into 2025, the whispers in the industry have turned into a roar. The king is about to be dethroned, and the successor is coming to reclaim the crown. This isn't just another minor update. This isn't a Mark II with a better battery. This is the Sony FX3 II, and it is designed to destroy the competition. If you are a filmmaker, a YouTuber, or anyone who picks up a camera to tell a story, you need to stop what you're doing. The specs we are seeing, the leaks coming out of Tokyo, and the internal testing reports suggest that Sony is about to release a camera that makes everything else look like a toy. We are talking about technology that was previously reserved for cameras costing $30,000, now potentially sitting in the palm of your hand. Think about that for a second. The gap between an indie filmmaker and a Netflix-certified studio is disappearing. But here's the real question. Is the FX3 II actually going to live up to the hype, or is Sony just playing it safe while Canon and Nikon close in? Today, we are stripping away the marketing fluff. We are diving deep into the confirmed leaks, the secret prototypes, and the exact features that will make the FX3 II the most powerful compact cinema camera ever built. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the sensor. The original FX3 was praised for its 12-megapixel beast that could see in the dark. It was the low-light king. But the industry has moved on. We need resolution, we need flexibility, and most importantly, we need open gate. For years, Sony users have been begging for the ability to use the full height of the sensor. Why? Because in today's world, you aren't just shooting for one platform. You're shooting for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and the big screen all at once. The FX3 II is rumored to finally deliver a 3:2 open gate 6K sensor. This is a game changer. Imagine shooting a scene once and having the perfect framing for both a cinematic 2.35:1 widescreen and a vertical 9:16 reel without losing any quality. That efficiency alone is worth the upgrade. But Sony isn't stopping there. The biggest rumor, the one that has sent shockwaves through the community, is the possibility of a global shutter. When the Sony A9 III dropped with a global shutter, it proved it could be done. No more rolling shutter artifacts. No more jello effect when you're panning fast or shooting high-speed action. If Sony brings a global shutter to the FX3 II, the competition is officially dead. It would mean that this compact body could handle high-intensity handheld work better than cameras 5 times its size. However, there's a catch. Global shutters usually struggle with dynamic range. Will Sony find a way to maintain that beautiful 15+ stops of dynamic range while giving us the speed of a global shutter? If they do, it's game over. Now let's talk about the brain. AI is everywhere, and Sony is leading the charge in autofocus. The FX3 II is expected to feature a dedicated AI processing unit. We've seen a glimpse of this in the A7RV and the A9 III. This isn't just face detection. This is human pose estimation. This camera will know where your subject's eyes are even if they turn around, walk behind a tree, or wear a mask. For solo filmmakers,